This is the final presentation for the RDBMS lab. It's our project is called Artizo, and it's a freelancing website application for clients and freelancers living in Bangladesh. It's built with Node.js, MySQL, and Express. This is the home page. This is the information about the web application, and then these are the frequently asked questions and the people who are behind it, and then this is the sign up for newsletter for anyone interested. This is the about page for informing the users about the application, the browse gigs page where users can browse, search, filter, sort and view them the gigs even if they are not logged in. They can search. If I show here, we've used case sensitive searching. Then they can sort by lowest hourly rate, most followers, most customers, and highest rating. If I sort by highest rating, you can see they are now sorted by highest rating. I can also filter by category, hourly rate, rating, number of customer, and number of followers. We have implemented multi-category filtering. If I filter by graphics and design, then you can see there are 3 results. But if I filter by graphics and design and below 500 taka per hour, then I get 2 results. If I, without logging in, decide to view the gigs, I will see some information, the information that was in the browse page. I can see the freelancer's profile. I can also contact them in WhatsApp. I can see information about the gig, information about the freelancers, any documents that they have submitted on their profile, and they can contact them in social media if I'm interested. Here. Now if I decide that I want to log in or start a gig, then I have to log in, and if we have implemented password strength checker for the sign up within Galaxy VPN, and when we have implemented email verification for forget password and sign up, that I will not show, and then we can also sign in and log in finally. And now if we decide to browse a gig, and if we decide we can follow it, report it, or submit it, we can submit an offer. And we can see that the offer has been submitted. And now if I decide to log in as the freelancer, then you can see it's in the offer, and I can view the offer that was made. I decide to accept or decline it. If I decide to accept it, then it shows in my running gigs, and I also receive a notification that I got the offer and someone followed me. And on the client side, in the hired gigs where the clients can see whoever they hired, they can see that the offer has been accepted, and they will also receive that notification that it has been accepted. And if the freelancer decides that they're finished with the work, then they will mark it complete, and then the client will see that it has been completed, but it shows taka 0, and they will also receive the notification. Why it shows Saga 0 is because we have considered number of hours, the difference between the time that they have accepted, the freelancers accepted the offer and they have completed it, and since we have just submitted, that's why it shows 0. If they decide, for example, I'll show an old one where they have actually completed it, then you can see that in SL Commerce using the sandbox, the payment is successful, and then the user can decide to give a rating, and it shows paid now. This is the main feature of our project. You can also see the followed gigs here, and then we also have the admin dashboard, but we don't have any much time, so I can show you that it shows the, besides the user dashboard, there is also, you can have approved gigs which you can approve or decline. Then you have reported gigs where users who report are ending up there, and then if anyone submits any edit requests for gigs or any delete requests for any of the gigs they want to delete, they need to be approved by the client. And then there is a blocking where user can be blocked, so they can no longer sign in, and you have to mention the reason it is to keep log, and then users can also add admins.